Dear students, we are going to start with chapter 1 of your English grammar book, and the name of the chapter is sentences. We will learn what actually the sentences are and what are their different types. But before I start my explanation, I'll ask you a question. How many alphabets are there in English language? You will say 26 alphabets are there. But there's only one alphabet in English language. One alphabet and 26 letters. When these 26 letters are joined together, they make one alphabet. Alphabet means one mala in Hindi. There are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels, and rest 21 letters are the consonants. You have read it in junior classes also. So I come back to my explanation of a sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words making a complete meaning. There are 3 characteristics of a sentence. First characteristic is group of words making a complete meaning. Group of words making a meaning. Making a meaning. Like if I write, blue is the sky. Blue is the sky. This is the group of words. But can we call it a sentence? No, because it is not making a meaning. So it is not a sentence. But when I rearrange the words and I write, the sky is blue. Now this is a sentence because it is making a complete meaning. From this sentence we come to know that the color of the sky is blue. Second characteristic of the sentence is it should have a subject and verb combination. It should have a subject and a verb combination. Now that's the catch here. If I write, give me your pen, give me your pen, there is no subject here, but the subject is understandable. I write you here, so this is an implied subject here. Third characteristic of the sentence is many sentences or all the sentences may have different meanings according to the expressions. Now what these expressions are? They are of the statement, they ask you a question, they command you, or of an exclamation. So based on these expressions, we have 4 different kinds of sentences. So first kind of sentence is declarative or assertive sentence. It can also be called assertive sentence. These are the sentences which give you a fact or an opinion or an idea. Like if I say Mr. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India, this is a fact, nobody can deny it. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of the nation, this is a fact, nobody can deny it. These are the assertive sentences, these are the declarative sentences. Like for example, if I say Abhinav is a good boy, this is my opinion that he is a good boy. He may be good for me, he may not be good for you. So this is my opinion. So these all are declarative sentences. In short, they give you some information. Second type of sentences are interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences ask questions. There are 2 types of interrogative sentences. One starting with the helping verb and others starting with the verb words. Verb words like where are you going, what is your name, who are you. The sentences starting with the helping verb are you going there? Do you have bath every day? Do you wash your hands more often? Do you wash your hands? So do is a helping verb. Are you going there? Are is a helping verb. These all sentences end with a question mark. The interrogative sentences end with a question mark. The declarative sentences end with a full stop, or we can call it a period also. Third type of sentences are imperative sentences. Imperative sentences give you command, they request, they advise. If I say come here, go there, go and bring your book here, these are all commands which I am giving. Go and ring the bell, this is a command. Please give me a glass of water, this is a request. So these type of sentences are called imperative sentences. These sentences end with a full stop or an exclamation mark depending upon how forcibly the sentence is told to you or said to you. Fourth type of sentences, exclamatory sentence. They are showing the inner feelings, inner and sudden emotions. They are called exclamatory sentences. Like if somebody gave you a gift and you opened it and you say, oh my God, this is phenomenal, this is fantastic. This is an exclamatory sentence. How tragic the scene is, how sad, so sad. These are all the words with exclamation mark. These are the sentences which are called exclamatory sentences. What a beautiful picture it is. How beautiful flower it is. So these are the exclamatory sentences. These sentences end with the exclamation mark. So what we have read today is 3 characteristics of sentences and 4 types of sentences. What sentences are, and depending upon the expressions, there are 4 kinds of sentences. That's all, students, for today. We'll be doing the exercises in the next video. Thank you so much.